Hi there, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video, and welcome to Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. We're here for the opening weekend. It's Sunday, day 2 of the opening weekend here at Great Yarmouth. So yeah, come and join us. And remember, if you like the video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, hit the little bell for notifications. I'm getting dizzy, not even been on a ride yet. And I will see you in a bit. Let's do this. It's only Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach, isn't it? Cool, blimey. So I'm just about to head in. I've got my fun card, which you can top up. I've put 15 quid on there, get a good few rides. You can get day wristbands, but I've just gone for a fun card today, which you can top up throughout the season. Okay, let's get in there. So excited. Okay, we're in. Just tap my card and we're in to Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach for the opening weekend of the 2026 season. Happy days, can't wait. So as soon as you get in, you're greeted by this lovely carousel. Really beautiful. I'll give you a spin round to show you where we're at. There's the disco there in the corner. We've got merch over there. We're going to be taking a look at the merch a bit later on. And we've got slush and popcorn, all that stuff. Got an arcade going on here. We've got rides being tested right now. The 360 up there. Check that out. No thanks. So there was a nice big queue when we arrived here this morning. Loads of people enjoying their first weekend here at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. So I'm here right on the front row of the roller coaster for the first ride of 2026. Well, not quite, but check this out. We've got a carriage. What a great photo opportunity here at Great Yarmouth. Love it. Yay! This might be the one that Madness used because the House of Fun video was recorded here at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. Fantastic. Okay, I love this, but let's get on a proper ride. Let's do this. Oh, I love that photo opportunity there on the entrance. A lovely old carriage off the fantastic roller coaster. Oh. So yeah, just heading past here, we're at the Fun Factory, which also appeared on the House of Fun video what Madness shot here years ago. We've got the Haunted Hotel, which is a really cool ghost train. I'll let you have a look at that. So yeah, there's the Haunted Hotel. Looking fantastic there. Woo! Lovely stuff. And what a day, we've done it again. Look at that day. It's amazing, just keep finding these beautiful days. Oh, I'm loving it. We're still only in March here in the UK. It's beautiful. Here at Great Yarmouth, what a lovely theme park. I absolutely adore this place. We've got the Family Star right behind me here, which is a spinning coaster. Oh. I'm not into all that spinning malarkey. We've got the elephant ride here, really cute kids ride there, the elephant ride. And the Big Apple coaster. I actually really like this. I'm going to go on this today. Cred's a cred. I do love it. I do love a Big Apple. Can't go wrong. So it's time to ride the roller coaster, one of the world's oldest wooden roller coasters. Built in the 1930s, it's one of only 7 remaining scenic railway coasters left in the whole world. Let's do this. I can't wait. So here's the entrance to the roller coaster. So yeah, just heading up to the entrance now. Got a lovely classic sign up there, roller coaster. Check that out. Amazing. Wow. Looks like we're first on the platform, so we can get the front row. Nice view of the station there. Amazing. So lovely to have such a classic roller coaster here in Great Yarmouth. A really rare one of only 7 scenic railway coasters left in the whole world. I've just heard it going round. It looks like it's coming back now. The ride-up's just there waiting for it to arrive in the carriage. In the station. Oh yeah, here it comes. Oh, looks like they enjoy themselves. Got cheers going on. Okay, we're on the front row. We've got front row seats. I've not done a front row coaster for years. I can't wait. Proper excited. We're right there on the front. It's filling up, about to head off on this classic 1936 coaster. Bit of 30s technology, can't beat it. This is so exciting. Okay, here we go. This is too exciting. Okay, the lift hill's coming up now. Just about to lock onto the lift hill chain. Cut 'em. Here we go. Front row. Yay! The first ride of 2026. First ride of any coaster for 2026. The first theme park we've been to so far this year. Off to Blackpool next week, Blackpool Pleasure Beach. So yeah, do some vlogs from there. Oh wow, check out the pendulum from here. Oh my crikey, I ain't going on that. Okay, we're right at the top end now of the lift hill. I think it's a straight down one. Let's do this. Whoa! Oh my days, this is fantastic. Oh, I love this ride. What a coaster this is. Right at the front row, got Stephen's there. Hello Stephen. Okay, let's do it. Oh, the next drop's coming up. Hold tight, Cara. Here we go. Drop number 2. Here's a big one. Let's do this. Oh, look at that one light's a bit low, isn't it? Woo! Crikey, that was a big drop. Wow! Oh my days! Oh, that was amazing! What a drop that was! I think there's another one coming up. Oh, my eyes are watering! Oh no, we got a double hump out! We got a double hump! Let's do this! Airtime! Airtime! Here we go! Yay! Woo! Oh, here we go! Yay! Fantastic! I'm sorry about the bumpy ride on the POV. Oh, check it out! Oh, another drop coming up. It's a big one! Yay! Woo! Look at this! Oh my days! Woo! What a nice view of the beach there as well to the right. Oh, and a nice view over the park as well. Okay, we're coming up. I think we've got another drop coming up around this corner. Yep, let's do this. Got another double humper. Woo! Whee! And another one. What's the monorail track? Whoa! Yay! Right at the back of the display there and heading back into the station. I think we've got another little hump down here. Yeah, here we go. Another couple. The last 2. Yay! Woo! Wow! Amazing! So that was the roller coaster. What a ride! Oh, I loved it. Look at my hair. God blimey. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us on that classic 1936 woodie coaster here at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. What a treat that was. I'm going to do it again. It has to be done. You know what? That was a really raucous ride. It was absolutely fantastic. Lots of airtime in there. Wasn't it? It was amazing, wasn't it? It was so good. Oh, we were right at the front row, as you've seen, and yeah, what a ride. Wow. Whew. Blimey, I wonder what I thought of that in 1936. God, blimey. Oh, what a joy that is. The roller coaster here at Yarmouth. Oh, we're so lucky to have such an historical coaster here in the UK. It's worth coming here just for that. Just lap that all day long. It's mega. Right, I need a drink now after that. So we're here at the food court. We've got everything here. We've got slush, of course, in the corner. We've got burgers, hot dogs, nachos, loads of drinks here. And we have gone for an illuminous looking slush. It has to be done. Oh, nice. I've got blue taste. Not going to be hyperactive or nothing. Like I need anything to make me be hyperactive. Cheers, everybody. So I'm just going to give a big shout out to all the staff here at the Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. Fantastic staff, really friendly ride-ups, really friendly catering staff. Cheers to you all. Have a great season. Have a fantastic 2026. It's really good. What is it? Blue raspberry and green apple. 2 a daily, that, isn't it? What is it? 5 a day, 8 a day, whatever it is. That's 2 of them. So I've just had my slush. That was absolutely delicious. Nice cold refreshing drink at this beautiful sunny day. Look at that. Blue skies, roller coasters, what more do you want? Right, there's a monorail up here. I reckon I'm going to do that and give you a bit of a view all the way around the park. Let's do this. Well, the monorail is just opposite the roller coaster here. You've got to climb up a few stairs to get to it. I love this thing. It's so cool. So yeah, let's go to the monorail. Have a good old look round, see what we can see from up there. It takes you to the bottom part of the park, so yeah, it'd be great to see what's happening down there. Let's do this. So here's the entrance to the monorail just here. Up the stairs, and there's the track just there. Takes you all the way down the bottom end of the park. And just in front of us here is another ride from the roller coaster coming into the station. Okay, we're off on the monorail. Lovely staff again here at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. Really friendly, just having a chat about the start of the season. So yeah, I'm going to spin the camera around and let you have a look what we can see from up here on the amazing monorail. So it's a really cute ride. It's like a car theme. But I'm just going to flick the camera over here so you can have a great look at the classic roller coaster. What a beautiful building. So yeah, that's the classic scenic railway. One of only 7, like I said before, left in the whole world. And there's one of them here at Great Yarmouth. Amazing stuff. The park looks so good, all the theming looks really nice. That's that part of the snails ride down there. There's the track for the coaster. But yeah, everything looks really fresh and clean. Start of season, they've done such good work here to keep this park looking so beautiful. And it looks like the monorail goes inside of the roller coaster. Check that out. Wow. Gives you a great view here of the coaster. This is absolutely fantastic. And yeah, look at that, we're going into the middle of the coaster. That's mega, check that out. What a treat. Okay, here we go. Oh, I like this lovely theming through here. Into the tunnel there. And look at that, we've got the beach and the sea right in front of us. What a lovely view. Oh, I love all the theming through here, it's really cool. And the park's looking absolutely fantastic, like I said before. Lovely looking over the beach. We've got a Premier Inn next door there, so you can come and stay if you want, right next to the park. We've got the classic Twister down there in front of us. I used to love that when I was a kid. Just there, got the Twister going. We've got the Ghost ship there, the old pirate ship, which used to be at the top end of the park, but they moved that last year, I think. So yeah, we've got people there enjoying the Ghost ship. The last time I went on that, I felt a bit queasy. I used to love that ride, but nah, my Ghost ship days are over. But yeah, what a nice view of the Ghost ship there. And I'm just going to spin you right around here for a second, show you the Premier Inn, and you can see my mini park there. So there's parking there for the Pleasure Beach. It was £6 for all day parking, which I thought was an absolute bargain. Brilliant. So I'm taking you right round here. The Ghost ship's going to come right up here. It's high now, look at that. Whoa, blimey. No thanks. Very brave people. So as you can see, there's lots of places to sit and eat down there. We've got the lovely Polar Express looking beautiful. And of course, look at that. The star of the show here at the Pleasure Beach. The amazing roller coaster. Doesn't it look beautiful? Wow. Looks amazing there in the sun. I love the kind of encased theme of this. It's beautiful. Really unusual. If I move the camera to the middle of the car there, you can see the entire park. And what a day. We're getting so lucky with weather this year. The weather in the UK this year has been absolutely spectacular. There's the coaster there. There's a train and a carriage just waiting for more people to get on board. But yeah, what a fantastic view of the roller coaster here at Great Yarmouth. The classic coaster. and we're just about to go over the pendulum. A bit of a small version of the gyro swing. The one that's coming to Blackpool Pleasure Beach, there's a bit of a smaller one there, but even that's too much for me. I'm not going on that. So we're just getting back into the station now here on the monorail. What a lovely ride that was. A great way to relax for a bit and see the park from this fantastic bird's eye view. Love it. Okay, we're just getting back into the station, so I'll see you in a bit. But yeah, that was the monorail. Really lovely, lovely staff. Big shout out to the staff on that ride. Really friendly, really happy staff. So lovely. I love this park. Real friendly, chill atmosphere. It's beautiful. But yeah, what a great way to see the park. And like the ride up said, not bad for a couple of quid. Exactly right. Fantastic. What a way to see the park. Right, okay. We're just heading back out now into the main part of the park. Got a nice arcade here at the entrance. We're back at the top end of the park now. Got a Coronation Street themed machine, and we've got a Star Trek themed machine there as well. Loads of ways to win sweets. I love it. Proper old school arcade, really nice. Snakes and ladders. Star Trek going on. What's that all about? Cara can't resist it. She's on the Star Trek 2P machine. My days. Check out disco. I ain't going on that. Whoa, blimey. Get it right to the top here. There we go, here it comes. Woo! This is more like my speed. Carousel, that's more like me. So I'm just here with my new friend outside of the Pleasure Beach Inn. Yeah, you can get a drink. There's a nice bar here at Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. I think he's had a few too many. They also do jacket potatoes and paninis and all that stuff in there. So yeah, you can grab a bite to eat and have a drink at the same time. Lovely stuff. So yeah, I'm having an absolutely fantastic time here at day 2 of the opening weekend at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. Here with my mate, hanging out in the sunshine. Ah, oh, lovely stuff. We've got the classic dodgems here going round. I love the dodgems, but as Cara just pointed out, they're not good for necks and backs. Getting on a bit, you know. So I'm just here at the Haunted Hotel. Gonna give it a go. Let's do this. Ooh. So I've just had a ride on the Haunted Hotel. It was really cool, classic ghost train, fantastic theming in there. They didn't want me to film inside, which is fair enough, but yeah, that was really good. I really enjoyed it. I love a ghost train. Just here at the Snails and Fairy Tales ride. It's a really cute kind of Disney themed ride here at Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. Another classic one. It's been here for absolutely years, but yeah, really cute little ride. I did go on that last year, and there is another vlog from the Pleasure Beach from last year. You can check out a bit of POV on there. But the Snails and Fairy Tales, it's very, very cute, and it's right next to the roller coaster. The classic woodie. Let's do it again. It's got to be done, hasn't it? Yeah, let's do this. So yeah, I've just ended up for ride 2 on the roller coaster. This classic woodie, I absolutely love it. Got to have another go on it. Bit of a queue going on this time. It was a walk-on when we first got on there. We got straight in the front row as a walk-on. But yeah, here's a carriage just about to leave. Fantastic stuff. Let's do this. Ride number 2 here on the classic 1930s woodie, Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. I'm not going to film this time, but let's do this. I'll chat to you when we get off. So that was ride number 2 on the classic woodie here at Great Yarmouth. It's fantastic. It's running so well. It's really, really smooth. Loved it. I absolutely love a classic woodie, and this is a great one, a rare one as well. As I said before a couple of times, it's one of only 7, and we've got it here in the UK. Get on over, get to Yarmouth, get on this thing. It's fantastic. I love it so much. So just here at the merch store, going to check out a bit of merch they've got here at the Pleasure Beach for 2026. Bit of a look at the merch here. We've got badges, pens, cups, tote bags, t-shirts, hoodies, all that. And we've got Leo. Leo, yay! Day 2, season 2026 at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. Fantastic, get on down here. So that was opening weekend here at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget, please subscribe, please hit the like button, hit the little bell for notifications, and I will see you in a bit. Bye for now, take care, bye.